How to enable pickup to silence on your Motorola G34 5G, G54 5G and G64 5G. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on a sound and vibration. Here you can see pickup to silence option. So pick up the phone to silence the ring on your device. Tap on it. Now make sure to go on use pickup to silence option to automatically silence your phone when ring on incoming call. Here you can see other setting. Tap on a settings. Now here you can see two options: silence alarm, pick up to silence alarm, or toggle on silence call. Silence the ring during the incoming call when you lift your phone. So whenever any phone call coming on your device, just pick up the call to silence it. If you are a meeting or a personal meeting or a personal work on your device. So quite useful setting to silence your phone call. That's it. If you like it, share it.